Good morning. Okay, today we're going to learn about me and my nature. What is nature? Nature is the physical world and everything in it, such as plants, animals, land, air, water, mountains, oceans, stars, that is not made by people. Nature is God's greatest power to mankind. Nature keeps changing from season to season, from minute to minute. Nature. Now we see here waterfalls, green grass, plants and trees. Nature. Sky, sun and birds. These are called nature. We see sun in the sky during the day. The sun rises in the morning. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun sets every evening. Night. At night, we see the moon and stars in the sky. They are large number of stars. So, at night we go to sleep. We wake up early in the morning. Now you see here, one boy is sleeping at night. Here morning, the boy waking up early in the morning. So after waking up early in the morning, what we have to do? We have to get ready for the class. So what we learn from these lessons, I'm going to read for you now. The trees, sun, stars, birds, and animals are the examples of nature. The sun shines during the day. The sun gives us heat and light. The moons and the stars shine at night. Thank you, children.